is a little trickier. Oh, if only there was some young, brave group of egg movers who I could enlist to help me.
We're brave. We'll be your egg movers.
Oh, will you?
Will we? Sure. How hard can it be?
Oh, I'd be so grateful. You will take care of it, won't you? It's extremely delicate and fragile. It's an egg, after all.
Don't worry. Super Eddie's on the case. I promise we'll take special care of it.
Oh, thank you.
How far is the stone thrown?
Quite far.
How far?
Do you see the tallest tree in the distance? And the hill behind it? Well, it's just beyond that. Oh, and did I mention the rocky path and all the fallen down trees? Must run. Farewell, little one. Don't hatch without me.
I know what we need. This will get us to the stone throne. All aboard the Egg Mover Express. Let's go nice and slow. Yee-haw! Eddie, slow down. There's an egg back there, remember? Relax. Super Eddie is always ready. I know what I'm doing. End of the road. I got it.
Oh, I don't got it.
Super Eddie, to the rescue!
Eddie!
Woo! Last one to the bottom is a rotten. Oh no. Hey! Gotcha!
What in the name of dribbling dewdrops is going on here?
Try this, monkeys.
Oh no! Eddie, you made a promise to be careful with the egg. Remember?
Relax. They're only monkeys. What could go wrong? You see?
Phew. Now come on, Eddie. Let's get...
Eddie! We're just playing catch. Uh-oh.
Follow that egg.
Where did it go?
Oh no! These all look different. What did our egg look like? Does anyone remember? It was sort of pink.
Yes, with little blue dots.
That's right.
And a red stripe. It must be here somewhere.
I found it! All right!
Yay, Tessa! I'll take it.
No way!
What do you mean? I got the egg this far.
Yeah, and you almost broke it too.